Welcome to Kinder Playtime, everybody! Woohoo! Welcome back. How are you doing today, Chloe?
Good!
Good? Why are you so happy today, Chloe?
Because we have so many toys.
We do have so many toys. Oh my goodness gracious. You want to look at each one? See what we have?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got Hatchimals, Collectibles. Man, it looks like a 12-pack, a dozen.
Yeah.
We got the world's smallest. We got a little styrofoam egg. We have a Despicable Me Mineez. We have a Squish Delish. A Pikmi Pop surprise. That's new. I haven't seen that. We have a Popcake surprise. Some more Minions, and they dance. A Peppa Pig chocolate egg. An Emoji Keychain. Sofia the first blind bag. What in the world is that? It's unicorn poo. Ooh, that's gross. And a dragon?
No.
That's not a dragon!
No!
That's a tiger!
Yeah, that's a tiger!
That's awesome. And we have our little friend here. He doesn't look too happy. We'll have to check him out in a little bit. And finally, we have a Robo Alive little lizard guy. And man, he looks awesome. I can't wait to play with him.
Yeah.
Anyway, whoa, look at all these toys. What do you want to start with?
This one.
You want to start with that styrofoam egg? Oh, what do you think's inside that?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Can you crack it open? Can you hit it? Yeah, hit it. Crack it open. Oh, you gotta turn in the Hulk. Can you be Hulk, Chloe? Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
What is this guy?
I don't know.
You don't know? This is an egg babies, I think, is what they call them.
Yeah.
And that you got something really fluffy and white. What did you get?
Cat.
Is that a cat? It looks like a little doggy, actually. Little fuzzy doggy.
No, it has a pink nose.
Oh, okay. So is that a kitty?
Yeah. Weenu, baby.
You like the little kitty?
Yeah.
You like the kitty? What's gonna be next, Chloe?
Probably leaves.
Oh, the Hatchimals, Collectibles, 1 dozen eggs. You ready to open all 12 of them?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay, let's open this dozen up. Oh my goodness, we got 2 that are open already. Ooh, we got like a little piggy guy. I think we got him before.
Yeah.
And then what was the other one? What'd you get there? It's like a bird.
Yeah, purple bird.
And we got lots of eggs left. It looks like we have about 10 of them left. And look, they have a lot of different colored spots.
Yeah.
I bet you that tells us what kind of animal they are or something. That's pretty neat.
I want to do the yellow one.
You want to do this yellow one? Let's get them all open. Why not, right? We got all of our friends hatched.
Yeah.
Look at them. You want to pull them out? Go and pull them out. Here's all of our babies. We got a pig, and it looks like a deer, and a little koala bear, and a penguin, and a snail. Yeah, we'll get to the horse. I know that one's your favorite. And it looks like a little whale, and that one's a tiger.
A horse.
A horse. Yes, that's a horse. Oh, what's this one? Is this one like a kitty cat or raccoon or something? I can't tell.
It's a kitty cat.
And then we have a piggy, and my favorite one has got to be the elephant. Oh my goodness, that one is so adorable. And then of course we got the bird.
Yeah.
Nice. Now you have lots of new friends to play with. You love them?
Yeah.
Man, look at all these surprises we have. I'm really excited, especially for this tiger.
Yeah.
Man, he's gonna be so cool. All right, what do you want to pick next?
This one.
What is that one? Can you show me the front?
This box.
A Squish Delish. Nice. These are really cute. I think we've opened one of these with Emily before, haven't we?
Yeah, I want the blue one.
You want the blue one? Okay,
Yeah.
let's open it up. Okay, which one did we get? Whoa, nice.
I wanted this one.
You wanted that one? Oh, a kitty cupcake. That's okay. We got a blue ice cream cone. What is this? Like a bird?
Yeah. Squishy, squishy, squishy.
Is it super squishy?
Oh, it smells like vanilla.
It does? It smells like vanilla?
Yeah.
Here, let me smell. Mmm, it does. Here, we can squish it real good and what happens. Here, let's watch what happens. You ready? Whoa, it's moving. That's cool. All right, Chloe, what's next? Whoa, Despicable Me Mineez, Fizz and Surprise Submarine. Oh my goodness, I think we need water.
Yep.
I'll go get some. Okay, I got the water, but it looks like we need to remove this label first. It's cute though, it's got lots of minions on it. So let's go ahead and do that. You ready to put that submarine in?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Go ahead and put it in. Oh, it's fizzing. Whoa, neato.
It's turning, it's like pee.
Yes, it is. It's turning the water yellow. Oh my goodness, Chloe. You are so sophisticated. Whoa, this is so cool.
The egg.
It's happening. What's happening? It's melting. It's a submarine in there. It's almost done.
Yeah, it's almost going to get the yellow off. Can you touch it?
Go ahead, try it. Oh, it's starting to come apart. Oh.
We got two of them.
It's a submarine. And I can see them inside. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Nice. You ready to open it up?
Yep.
Go ahead, open it up. Let's see who's inside. Ooh, what do we got? Oh, nice. He's a snorkeling one. Nice. That's cool.
This is like a little boat.
A little boat? What is this one? Let's see. He's got a rake.
He's like married.
That's awesome. Supposedly these are color changers. You want to see if they color change in the yellow water? Ew, you want to go? Let's see. Oh, he's in there. Is he changing colors?
Nope.
No.
But they can swim.
Yeah, they can swim. All right, let's see what this one does. Here, ready? Book. Is he changing colors?
Nope.
No.
It's just yellow. Splashing in the tub.
Swim, swim, swim. I am swimming. Swimmy, swimmy, swimming. Yeah, cool. It's like a boat now, huh? That's neat.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dad, it's your turn.
It's my turn. I get a turn? Nice. You guys are always so nice to me. I think I want to pick this guy. Ooh. I wonder why he's so sad. Hey, Chloe. I think he wants to say hi. Why are you so afraid of him? He's just a nice unicorn, right? See, he's nice, right? Is he nice?
No.
He's not nice.
He's mad.
What? He doesn't look mad. He looks sad. Are you sure? Are you sure?
He's like mad.
He looks mad?
Yeah.
I don't know if I believe you. Are you mad, Mr. Unicorn? Chloe seems to think you're mad. Are you mad? Are you sure? He's not sure. You want to see him get mad?
Yeah.
Ah! He's mad! What? Whoa, these things are crazy.
Yeah.
He's so mad. Wah! Wah! Oh, don't hit him. He's nice.
Okay.
He's just got a mad face. rah, 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 rah. Rah, rah.
I'm sorry.
He's sorry. He says he's sorry. He's sorry if he scared anybody. He loves everybody. Yay, rainbows. All right, Chloe, what's next?
This surprise.
Oh, yeah, nice. So Moose Toys came out with a new toy called Pikmi Pops. And we saw them at Target the other day, and we wanted to pick some up and see what they're like.
Yeah, Emily opened these before.
You have?
Yeah.
Did Emily and you get one of these and open it? Yeah, Pikmi Pops. And it looks like it's got little, like, little surprise guys and maybe like little like bean bags, and they smell and they're really fun. All right, Chloe, go and open it up. Let's see what's inside there. Whoa, lots of blind bags. Oh my goodness, they flew everywhere. Let's open them up and see what's inside each.
Yeah.
Okay, so the big Pikmi Pop, it comes with 5 blind bags. So we're gonna open each one and show you what kind of toys are in each one. You ready? Go ahead. It smells so good in here, by the way. Oh my goodness, what do you got there? It's like an owl?
Yeah, it's
Can I see? Can I see? Wow, that's so cool.
It smells like candies.
Does it smell like candies?
Yeah.
Can I smell? Okay, let me smell. Ooh, it smells like Starburst.
Yeah.
These smell really good. I cannot explain how good these smell. Nice. Okay, go ahead and pick the next one. Oh, what'd you get?
A zebra.
A zebra?
Yeah.
Oh, here, let me see. Nice. Looks like almost like a little monkey with stripes on him. Nice. Okay, what else did you get? Uh-oh. Oh, so it comes with some like little hard surprises too. What'd you get there? Let me see. That one looks like a little owl.
Yeah. It looks like she has a mommy.
A mommy. Oh, a mommy and a baby. I get it.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, what's in the last 2 blind bags? Is that the list?
This is a stickers.
Oh, you get stickers? Let me see.
They're different stickers.
Oh, nice. Watermelon. That must be what they smell like. Yeah, it does kind of smell like watermelon. Very cool. Are there any more? What's in this one?
A necklace.
You get a necklace with this?
Yeah.
Oh, I get it now. You can put your little guys on him. You
Yeah.
can put all of them on there and wear them on your necklace.
Yeah.
That's really neat. So as you can see, they all go on this necklace.
Yeah.
Very cool. Go ahead and put your necklace on. Yeah, just like that. And you can carry your friends around and you can smell them. And they smell really good. Watermelon Starburst, that's what they smell like. Very cool. And it came in these little things here. It looks like little envelopes. We got Okie the monkey and Mitty the owl. And inside it gives you like a really nice little message. Like this one says, "You're the tops when it comes to pops." And this one says, "You're hootful." Hootiful. Oh, like beautiful. I got it. Nice. And the lollipop, it looks like doubles like as a storage bin or something like that. You could put your little toys in there, maybe even Shopkins or anything like that. Go ahead and put your necklace in there and show everybody. Uh-oh. We knocked it down. So you could store your necklace in there. And it came with this little stand to do that. That's pretty neat. All right, Chloe, are you ready to look at the big tiger? Wow, we got Roarin Tyler. He is a FurReal Friends, and he looks amazing. So cool. Are you ready to open it up and check him out and show everybody what this tiger can do? Let's do it. So without even opening the box, it looks like it says that he responds with 100+ sounds and motion combinations. Oh my goodness, he is going to be super cool. So recently, Chloe and our family, we got to go see a tiger refuge, and she loved it so much, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to see a clip from it?
Yeah.
All right, here's a clip from when we were at the tiger refuge.
All right, bud, ready? Harry. Ready? Wow. Harry's a big cat. Harry is very likely the biggest cat on our sanctuary. Come here, buddy. One more.
Wow.
That was crazy, wasn't it? We had such a great time there. But anyway, Chloe likes tigers so much, so we got this Roarin Tyler, and he looks awesome. Look at him, and he's got a tail and everything. Wow, super cool. And then he came with this little rubber ducky. Or chicken, rubber chicken, probably is what it is. But anyway, let's turn him on, see what he does.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is so cool! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. What does he do? Does he have like a sensor on his back? Oh, he likes his back. Oh, he likes his back rubbed. So awesome! Oh, don't smack him! He didn't like that one as much. Oh. Wow. Is he singing to you? Wow. This is a really awesome toy. Does he want to play with this chicken? Yeah, he says. Yeah, give him the chicken. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The instructions say we can pat his head. You want to pat his head? Ooh, he likes that.
He doesn't like that.
He didn't like that? Oh, he likes that. Oh, ah! Oh, there it is. Oh, he likes that.
Roar!
Roar! When you say roar, he roars. Roar! Can you say it again?
Roar!
Roar! That's so cool. This is a really neat toy. Really, probably the best tiger toy I've ever seen, right? You can also let him put his legs up, and he'll act like you're holding him. Oh. He's singing you a song. Hey Chloe, what do you think of Roarin Tyler?
I love him.
Oh, you love him, huh? Man, this is a really cool toy. I really, really, really dig it. Man, that tiger toy was really fun, but look how many toys we still have to open today. Oh my goodness. You ready? Which one are you gonna do? What is this?
Poop slime.
Poop slime! Oh my goodness, is that unicorn poop?
Yeah, unicorn poop.
Ew, let's open it up, Chloe. Now I know why the unicorn is so mad. Ah, he had to go poop. Ew. Okay. What's in there? What is it?
Look.
That's not slime. What is that? What is that?
Like a clock.
Can you see? It says this is a how to use your toot tube. This is a toot tube apparently. This is gross, Chloe. Why'd you pick this out?
This is yucky slime.
Oh!
I got the rest of it.
There it is. There's the unicorn poop.
She got stuck in poop.
It's got sparkles in it.
Yeah.
It's got sparkles in it.
Why did I got this in the video?
I don't know. You picked it. Okay, let's put it in this toot tube. Oh.
It doesn't fit.
This is gross, Chloe.
Not by her own. Let's put it in there.
Oh. Oh no! Don't do that. What'd you think of this, Chloe?
Not good.
It's good. Do you like it?
I don't like it.
It's gross, isn't it? It's super gross.
I might wash this hand when we are done with this video.
Yeah, you should probably wash your hands. That's pretty disgusting.
Now I'm sparkles, girl.
You got all those sparkles all over you from that poop.
Yeah.
All right, Chloe, what's next?
This chocolate egg.
A Peppa Pig chocolate egg. Yeah. Okay, so here's our chocolate egg. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And let's see who we got inside that while you're enjoying the chocolate. Who's this? I don't know who this is. You know who this is, Chloe?
No.
You don't know their name?
Nope.
Can you guys let us know in the comments below who this guy is? Because I don't remember.
Yeah. Do you want some chocolate?
You want some chocolate? You gonna give him some chocolate? Oh, that's sweet of you. Oh, you took it back. You gonna eat it now? You silly. What's next, Chloe? You want to open that one? Robo Alive. Lurking Lizard. Nice.
No.
You think he'll be friends with Tyler? Yeah, me too. All right, Chloe, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to turn the lizard on? Let's see what he does. Oh, he's upside down! What? Ah! Woo! Man, he runs fast. Where you going, buddy? Woo! He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
He might like it.
Oh no! Here he comes. He's gonna get you. Ah!
Don't go that way.
Here, let him come towards me. Ah! No, not the lizard! Ah! Not the lurking lizard! Ah! Not the surprises! No! Not the surprises! Whoa! Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Where you will go?
Ah!
You're gonna break.
No, not up the table again! No! You ready for him to go upside down? Oh, you ready? Oh! Oh! He lost the stop! All right, Chloe, pick another toy. Okay, a Popcake surprise.
This
Nice. Open it up.
Oh, it's the flower one.
Ooh, pretty.
And it's blue.
Oh, nice.
It has a blue dress.
It does. This one smells like grape. Do you want to pop? You make her go up? Let's make her pop. You ready for her to pop? Here we go. Pop. Gotcha. You want to do it again? Okay, one more time. Here we go. Pop.
It didn't go right up.
No, it didn't get the ceiling, did it? Okay, what's next, Chloe?
Sofia the first.
Sofia the first. All right, blind bag. Who do you want to get?
Probably that one.
Sofia?
The blue one.
Okay, the blue one. Who's inside? Who's in there? Oh, blue dress.
Yeah?
Who is it?
We got Amber.
Amber. Okay.
We got this one.
We got Amber.
Yeah.
Who's Amber? Is that Sophia's sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what's next?
Dad, you pick.
I pick? Oh, I'm gonna pick this one. I thought these were hilarious as a kid, and we found one the other day, so now we're gonna look at it. It's a chatter teeth. You wanna see what it does?
Yeah.
That scare you?
No, I didn't.
You wanna do it again? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go! Those are so cool. Oh, your teeth are going out. Ah! Next one, Chloe, what you gonna do? We got a Hatchimals.
Yeah.
Nice. Which one do you want to get this time? Can you show me?
This pink one.
Ooh, the pink one. Yeah, let's get the pink one. Okay, baby, you ready? Go and open it up. Hit it. Hit it hard. You gotta hit it really hard. Did you get it?
Nope.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, smash! Boop.
Oh! I got the orange one again.
Yeah, I think we've gotten a couple of these, haven't we?
Ah, look! I hear it.
You do?
It's watering up.
It's watering up?
Yep.
Okay.
Look.
Nice face. Is it squishy? Oh yeah, super squishy, right?
Bonk, bonk. Bonk the
Bonk the door?
door.
Okay, I'm going to pick the world's smallest. I'm going to open this one, and you're going to open the Emoji Keychain. And then after that, we'll look at our minions. All right, you ready? Let's open them. What's inside, Chloe? Which emoji did you get? Oh, what is that one? He's blue.
Probably.
Looks like a little devil or something.
Probably.
Is that what it is, little devil?
No. Probably Batgirl.
It's it's Batgirl. Okay, let's go with that.
Batgirl.
Let me see. We got Batgirl. Nice one, Chloe. Okay, you ready for mine? All right, let's see what I got. World's smallest. What do we get? Ready? Pez. Oh, cool. We got the smallest Pez dispenser. Nice.
I want to eat candy.
You want to eat the Pez? Okay, let's load him up and we will eat the Pez. Okay, you ready for some Pez? Here we go. I loaded him up. Let's see if it works. There it is. Grab it. That one's for you. You get it? Ah, you got it. Nice. Okay, this one's for me. Nice Pez dispenser. Okay, last toy of the day. We got mini music mates Dave, Tim, and Carl. And if you push the button, what's it do? Show me. That's so awesome. They all dance together. Nice. Let's open it up. Okay, we got them out of the box. Go ahead, push the button. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Wow. Let's try the middle guys. Oh yeah. Nice.
Look at this guy.
Okay, let's see that guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. This is so cool. I love this. Did you have fun today?
Yeah!
I did too. Which one was your favorite toy?
Probably the other day, the minions dancing.
The minions dancing. I like the tiger too. Did you like the tiger? And the lizard.
Yeah.
Man, we had such great toys to open today. Thanks for watching.
Bye! Leave us a like, write us a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!